Welcome to Earni Tutorials, your quick guide to making NDIS business admin faster and easier. Earni is your smart, all-in-one mobile app built for support workers and providers to help you manage your clients, scheduling, invoicing, and cash flow, as well as power through your NDIS admin with ease. Less admin, less stress, more time back for yourself. Earni is the easier way. If you haven't got the app yet, just head to earni.au, download and start streamlining your workday today. This tutorial will take you through how to add an appointment to your calendar and how to link this to your clients. In the Earni app, tap Calendar on the menu at the bottom and tap the plus sign to create a new calendar entry. At the top, tap Add Client, and this will then link your calendar entry to one of your clients. Set the date and time, and you can also make this a reoccurring series if you have regular appointments on the same day and time for this particular client. To set a location, you can type in the location address here, or if it's your client's regular or home address, you can just tick the Use Client Address field and it will auto-populate for you. There is also a space if you'd like to add any notes relevant to that appointment. Under Services, this is where you add in the relevant NDIS service from the price guide. If you've already set up your favorite services, it will be listed here for you. And if you haven't, you can just add any new service you regularly provide so it saves for next time. Just tap Select from the price guide, type in a few letters relating to that service, and once you see it, tap Save. Towards the bottom of your appointment, you can add travel to or from the appointment if you charge for this, or you can add transport if it's within the appointment time. Just add in your travel distance and time, and the rates will auto-populate for you. Tap Submit and Send, and then you'll have the option to send the appointment confirmation as an email to yourself and or your client. And there you go. You've just added your first calendar entry and linked it to your client. Now when it's time to create an invoice for this appointment, everything is auto-populated and ready to send off for payment. Make sure you watch our next tutorial on how to do this.